MsEbonyV. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks so much for joining me. On this channel, I do like to bring you a lot of hair related content, especially with wigs. I'm throwing in a little natural hair vibes as well. Also makeup and lifestyle videos. If that's something you're interested in, please do consider hitting that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you don't miss any other videos, Shug. And if you're returning, hey Shug Muffin. All right, y'all, so today we have basically like a makeup review type of video. This wonderful company called Boulonguise was kind enough to send me some makeup products to try. They also have contact lenses, like they are like your one-stop beauty supply shop. They have some of everything on there, okay? So you already know I'm gonna link all that information down in the description box, so make sure you check it out, okay? So for this collab, I selected an eyeshadow palette, a NYX lipstick, and some lashes. So we are gonna review all three of those today, which I am rocking right now. So stick around, let's go ahead and get into this review.
All right, y'all, so this is how everything came packaged. They did include a pack of these nice lashes. They threw in some candy, which I gave to my kids, and then they included this NYX lipstick along with some other tools. This lipstick is in the color Sable. So they also included this super cute eyeshadow palette, but it was all broken up. Two of the colors were like completely out and it was a mess everywhere. I was still able to use it nonetheless.
Hey y'all, all right, so let's go ahead and get into this eye look. I already have my eyelids prepped and primed, and I usually use my MAC Pro Concealer in the color NC45. It's just usually what I use to prep my eyes. So we are going to try, like I showed you at the beginning during the unboxing, this eyeshadow palette came a little busted. But we're gonna try. Oh my god, it is like a huge mess. Like, if anyone knows me, I am like a germaphobe. I don't like to be all messy. I don't like my hands messy. So this is going to annoy me quite a bit. But I'm gonna try to work through this. I'm not even here to point fingers or try to blame the company. You know, sometimes this stuff just happens and you just don't have no control. I mean, it just happens. So yeah, I got a towel down here and I'm just trying to make as less mess as possible. I also have my little makeup wipes and my Lysol wipes on standby for the mess that's coming, because I know it's coming. All right, so let's get into it. I should probably zoom you into my eyes a little more, get you all up in my business like that. So I'm gonna start off with, now these colors don't have names on them. Maybe it's on the little plastic sheet, but it's covered in shadow so I can't see. But I'm gonna go in with this like burnt orange color right here. I'm gonna start there and just put that in my crease area. Then I'm gonna follow that up with this. I'm gonna deepen that crease with this darker color. So these are gonna be the first two colors. And I'm using a base shadow brush. It's just a little nice fluffy brush. So I'm gonna go ahead and just start patting that into my crease area. Is very light, so you got to really build these colors. Now I'm going to go in with this smaller fluffier brush, or smaller fluffy brush, and go into that dark brown color I showed you. And I'm just going to deepen my outer V with this color. previous brush without adding any additional product and just going back over the first color and the second color to just kind of blend them together. Trying to keep this look real simple, y'all. Like real simple. Alright, so this thing is so messy. Now I'm gonna go in with this color in like the middle of my eyelid, followed by this color in like the corner of my eyelid, like in the inner crease. Yeah, that's gonna be it for this palette. I'm sorry, I just can't do the mess. I wish it didn't break up like this, but when it's like this, I can't do nothing with it. But here we go, we're gonna go for it. And I'm just using this little tiny flat brush. Okay, I changed my mind on that second color because it looks too close like the first color. So now I'm gonna go in with this missing lighter gold color that's down here in the corner. I was gonna do this one, but I think I'm gonna do this one instead. Alright, so here are both eyes. I hope you can see. I swear I feel like this light is like diminishing it. But very simple, easy eyeshadow look. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my liner and then lashes. So I got my liner on. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply one of these lashes in this pack that they sent me. Let's see which one we gonna do now. So I don't know. I think I'm just gonna choose a pair up here up top. I like wispy, so these look pretty wispy to me. So that's what I'm going to go for. So I'm gonna use my Duo brush on adhesive, the white color. It goes on like fluorescent purple and then it clears, it dries clear. So that's what I'm gonna put on my lash line right now. gonna allow that to dry clear, and then I'll go ahead and pop on these lashes. In the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and add some mascara to make sure my lashes are in place where they need to be. And in case you're wondering, I'm using Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Mascara in the color black. And for my wing liner, I'm using e.l.f. liquid liner in the color jet black. Alright, so got my lashes on, and the only other product that they gave that I need to show you is the lipstick. So I'm going to go off camera, finish the rest of my face real fast because I don't want this video to be super long. That's not what I'm reviewing here. I'm not reviewing my whole face. I'm just reviewing the products that they sent me, which is the eyeshadow, the eyelashes, and the lipstick. So I'll be right back with my face done, and then I can apply my lips. All right, y'all, so I got the rest of my face done. I threw on some hair so I can look a little decent and not be all up in a bonnet. And this is what we got. Like, I like this little makeup look. I'm a little happy with this. Then I did with this little eyeshadow palette. That came all broken up, but we made it work. We made it work. We made it do what it did, okay? So the last thing I want to do is go ahead and apply this NYX matte lipstick that I got, and this is in the color Sable. So I'm gonna first throw on some brown liner around my lips, and then throw this lipstick on, and this will be the final look. Y'all, so this is the final look. What you think? What you think? What you feeling? What you feeling? Loving this. So in a nutshell, I'm happy with all of the makeup products that I tried. I did complain a little pinch that the eyeshadow was not as pigmented, but I did realize that that's kind of a pro sometimes, because when it's super pigmented, you can definitely over apply. So it being not so pigmented definitely prevents that. And so I was able to apply like just the right amount, and it's not like overboard, I don't think. I think it looks really good. What do you guys think? How you like these lashes? Like the lashes, right? Super cute. And I even like the little new lip. Very nice. I'm liking this. All right, so let me also point out this hair right here, honey. If you are feeling this hair like I am, Sugar, I just did a review on her, okay? Go ahead and check out that description bar. I'll even tag her up here above. Make sure you go check out that video, okay? Well worth your time. All right, so let me take a moment to shout out Boulonguise. that's the name of the company, for sending me all of these wonderful products. I truly appreciate it. I appreciate you guys reaching out. Let me also note that they actually wanted to send me some contact lenses, but the way my eyes are set up, I was like, I can't do no contact lenses. But they wanted to do that because they are promoting a BOGO, buy one, get one, on contact lenses. So make sure, I'm gonna leave all the information down in the description box below. Make sure you check that out if you are a contact lenses wearer. They really have they have a beautiful selection of contact lenses. I honestly wish I could rock them, but my eyes just ain't got time. I just don't. I don't have the patience. I just don't for contact lenses. Kudos to all of you that do. So they have a wide array of different colors, and all you gotta do is buy one pair and you get one for free, honey. Like, that is a steal, a whole steal. And they have all the codes listed down here for you as well. They also have some of the cutest that I've ever seen contact lens cases. Like, you can't lose here. Super cute options. So visit this website, get you some discounted and or free goods, and you're gonna win, sis. So again, huge shout out and thank you to Boulonguise for collabing with me on this video, sponsoring this video. I truly appreciate it. So that's really all I have on this video today. If you have made it this far in the video, go ahead and leave me this little sunset emoji right here down in the comments so that I know you made it to the end, because you know I truly appreciate you for that. If you can't find the emoji, just go ahead and put hashtag sunset. I know you made it, sis. I thank you all so much for rocking with me today. Please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. And I'll be sure to catch you all in the next video. Bye, y'all.